Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase the photo resolution in the Oppo A78. So at the start we have the camera app, and now we have two ways to increase your photo resolution. The first one is by turning on the 50 megapixels mode. Now we can take a photo. Later I'm gonna show you the resolution, the details. And the second way, go to the more and choose Extra HD. And this is the highest available resolution. And now if you take the photo with this mode, you can see we have extra high resolution and 80 megabytes. And in the 50 megapixels mode, that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.